Okay, good morning. Here we are, Sal. We're in the 64 Thunderbird. Gonna start this thing up here and turnkey, first turn. All your gauges work, oil pressure's high, fuel gauge works, temperature gauge, voltmeter, wipers work, blower motor works. Hear that blowing? Your venting positions work.
Rated number one in ease of use, number one in customer confidence, number one for serious shoppers, number one for first time.
Good clarity. Okay, power windows. We got driver's side power window. I don't know if you can see that okay. Hopefully you can see that already. I don't know if it's sometimes a little hard to see with this camera. But anyway, let me get that door closed. And power windows. Let's see. There's passenger side down, passenger side up, driver's side down, driver's side up, down, up, down, up. So they both work fine. Fan works, radio works, all it works. Horn works. So I mean, this is nice car. It's beautiful interior. I mean, the dash and everything's all extremely nice. Door panels, seating. It's a very pretty car. And runs nicely. Motor strong. I had it cruising down the interstate yesterday. So this is very nice. So I'm going to send this off, and I got some undercarriage pictures. I'm going to send those over to you as well. But yeah, very nice car. And I will send those off to you here in just a little bit. Get out of here. And just pulled this out of here. Very pretty car. Very nice indeed. Got new radials on it. Let's see if I can pop the hood here for you. Now you can see it's nicely detailed motor. It runs smoothly, very smoothly, and it has it's all correct under here. You see your power brakes. You see your power steering. It's all very nice into there. I'm going to send this off to you. Very pretty car. Thank you.